Welcome to this session on automation frameworks and script design, the foundation of reliable, scalable, and maintainable test automation. Let's start with the purpose of a framework. An automation framework provides a structured way to create, organize, and manage your test scripts. It standardizes how tests are written, executed, and reported, making your automation more consistent and easier to maintain. Key benefits include code reusability and modularity, reduce script maintenance, easier onboarding for new team members, integration with CI/CD tools and test reporting systems. There are several common types of test automation frameworks. 1. Linear framework, simple scripts written in sequence, best for small projects. 2. Modular framework, breaks tests into reusable components or functions. 3. Data-driven framework, separates test logic from test data using external sources like Excel or CSV. 4. Keyword-driven framework, uses action words mapped to functions to drive tests. 5. Hybrid framework, combines multiple approaches for flexibility. 6. Behavior-driven development, BDD, uses human-readable syntax like Gherkin to write tests. Popular tools and languages used to build frameworks include Java with TestNG or JUnit, Python with PyTest or Robot Framework, JavaScript with Cypress or Playwright, BDD with Cucumber or Behave. Now let's talk about script design best practices. Use page object model, separate UI locators and actions from test logic. Keep tests independent. Each test should set up its own context and not depend on others. Use assertions clearly. Validate expected outcomes with meaningful, focused assertions. Implement logging and reporting. Include logs and custom messages to aid debugging. Use configuration files. Store URLs, credentials, and other environment-specific settings externally. Avoid hard coding. Keep test data, locators, and expected results separate from the script logic. Organize your project folder with directories for test scripts, utilities and helpers, test data, configurations, logs and reports. Finally, maintain your framework like production code. Refactor regularly, write unit tests for reusable functions, and document your structure and conventions. To summarize, a good automation framework provides structure, reusability, and scalability. Choose the right framework based on your project size, tools, and goals. Script design should prioritize clarity, maintainability, and modularity. In our next session, we'll cover how to integrate your automation into CI/CD pipelines for faster continuous feedback. Let's keep going.